Hello there, how are you? Welcome back to How I Did It. Well, it's that time of year, less light, less rain. The pastures are all virtually non-growing. They're just kind of maintaining themselves. So it's time for me to look at an alternative food source for Tinkerbell, Earl, and Ginger. With that being said, I decided to go with round bales this year instead of buying the square bales. I think it'll be more economical and it'll be better use of my time. So I purchased this round bale holder from Tractor Supply. It was on sale. I had $150 off. I had a free delivery from them, so I actually purchased the round bale and the ring to go around the round bale.
It's not time for you to be
Six
in there eating
simple
that yet.
bolts and
You
nuts
got me
hold
sitting
this
waiting on you.
round bale together, and I was hoping to get it done before Tinkerbell brought herself and the two calves over. And as you can see, that was a fail, but it still was pretty cool because it gave you a better video than just watching me put six nuts and bolts together with these rings. I think one section of this round bale maybe weighed about 30 or 40 pounds. They were more awkward than they were for weight. And then having the palmettos growing up over here in this section of the pasture was kind of a trip hazard. So I was being a little bit more careful when I was actually moving them. But as a whole, it's easy enough to move around. It's easy enough to just put these six bolts and nuts on. And as you can see, the cows are absolutely loving it. A little freeze frame there for you. And then it was funny because I'm trying to put this on, and the little rascals are pushing the bale around on me. So it was a little bit of a gong show, but it was still easy enough to get together. Like I said, Tractor Supply delivered it, and from the time they delivered it and me actually getting the thing put together and the cows enjoying it was no more than maybe half an hour. Mr. Bastion's even laughing at me. Ha ha. Anyway, this simple ratcheting wrench, you didn't even have to have two wrenches for this to get it assembled. And it's just that easy. I think probably the most difficult part of this was getting the green wrap off of there, only because you had to move the wrap from out from underneath it. But a simple matter of using a little bit of leverage from the actual round bell ring, I was able to move it over and get the wrap out. Now, as you'll notice, it's sitting on top of a pallet that keeps the main bale up off the ground. So if we do get some rain, because I don't have this under cover, it will keep the bottom portion of the bale from rotting out. And I'm not sure how long this round bale will last, but having the three cows instead of just one cow this year, um, it was definitely a necessity to bring a secondary food source onto the property for them. Alrighty then. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Have an absolutely wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you next time. Take care.